Schneider has been an industry leader in end-of-line packaging for over 50 years, and we are eager to highlight our vertical bottom load case packer, Everest, which is a fantastic addition to one's production line. Unique bottom loading ensures consistent product control with no risk of dropping. Product is loaded in the same orientation it is conveyed, and requires less upstream product manipulations, offering a smoother product handling solution. Standard on our Everest is intelligent illumination, which uses task-based lighting to cue operators to machine condition without the need of consulting the HMI. Line-of-sight indicators ensure operators maximize uptime. Some scenarios it will proactively alert end users to low consumable levels, whether it be case blanks, glue, tape, or tripped safety circuits. When operator arrives at required area, machine lighting will turn white to aid in visibility and quick resolution. Additional automation enhancements that can be made to Schneider case packers include ProAdjust, which is an automated changeover system, and AdaPal, an integrated modular palletizer. ProAdjust significantly reduces changeover time, but more importantly, it provides absolute repeatability. Who doesn't want to eliminate time wasted during changeover and ensure that amongst shift and personnel changes, each changeover is performed correctly every time? AdaPal is an end-of-line modular approach to palletizing that shares the same PLC controls with a Schneider case packer. Utilizing a FANUC robot and custom-designed Schneider end-of-arm tooling, AdaPal can build unit loads, insert slip sheets, and manually or automatically handle pallet exchange. Reach out to Schneider today to discuss your automation plans. Learn more at schneiderequip.com.